So, I've been playing with all of these guys, except for Sean here, but I've been playing with these guys for like years and years and years. Rob and Pat and I, we started playing together in a living room with an old fella named Duck, and this is a song I wrote about Duck and kind of our experience playing with him. And then we got to high school. Later in high school, we made a bunch of noise with this guy. It sounds nothing like this, but and that guy.
And Jessica's dad as well.
One day we'll do the Shuttlecock reunion that no one asked for. So here's a song called Easy Chair. Sing a song like I'm back in old kids. Sometimes the best playing is in your living room, just like that.
Alright, give it up for Steve. And if you're finding yourself around Rochester, Steve's in a band called The Walking Beat, with his lovely wife, Kara, and their dog.
The dog he participates.
Yeah, the
When
dog.
he's not eating cat poop in the basement.
The dog plays the marimba.